Hey guys, just wanted to let you know that there is a new Vulkan computer graphics tutorial out. This is tutorial number 2. This deals with creating a Vulkan instance, and it is the foundational unit of the Vulkan API and helps you to get a little bit closer to rendering graphics on the screen and using Vulkan as your framework to do graphics processing and what have you. This is a video walkthrough. This time around, it's 75 minutes long, about, and you get the ebook, and you'll be able to get the link to the video walkthrough. Tutorial number 1 dealt with simply running a Vulkan script on your Windows machine. So it walks you through the whole process of setting up your environment so that you're able to run a a Vulkan script successfully on a Windows based machine. Just as a big picture discussion, really quickly, Vulkan is the latest iteration from the Kronos group. They are the people that brought us OpenGL, which is sort of an industry standard. Well, the industry and the world is moving on to Vulkan slowly but surely. And the main reasons are number one, it gives you more explicit control over hardware and software, including memory, GPU, CPU, all that good stuff. So it gives you more explicit control. And number two, you're able to directly perform and process using parallel processing, right? So you're able to delegate threads and all that stuff in parallel processing, which ultimately means a faster application, a faster frame rate, all that good stuff. So, um, the industry is pretty much saturated with OpenGL programmers, but if you know Vulkan, then you are in a better position in the industry, in the marketplace for the future. Obviously, GPUs are the new thing now. Everyone's using them, and the industry will inevitably move to Vulkan because they need they need the opportunities to optimize and take advantage of the granular control that you get with Vulkan. So personally, if you ask me, if you're interested in getting into computer graphics, Vulkan is definitely the way to go. It is also platform agnostic, so it can run on many different platforms. You know, Mac, Linux, Windows, what have you. Right? It's platform agnostic, and it was designed from inception to be platform agnostic. So that's also another plus and gives it a wider audience, and therefore um, puts the language and you in a better position if you know the if you know the language, of course, if you know the API. So yeah, that's my thoughts. Definitely check out cudaeducation.com if you want more tutorials on computer graphics, on parallel processing, artificial intelligence, computer vision, all that good stuff. So thank you for watching, and I will see you again.